Minimum wages, living wages and fair wages. What is the difference? Minimum wages are the lowest wages. Employers can legally pay workers according to legislation or contract. Minimum wages were first introduced in Canada in 1980 to protect female workers in certain jobs. At the time, unions felt they could more effectively ensure adequate wage for men, but women were largely unorganized and so more easily exploited. In Canada, hourly minimum wages range from a low of $10.40 in British Columbia to $13. Minimum wages have not kept pace with inflation. The average remains below that it was in 1976. After adjusting for inflation, 1 in 14 workers receive only the minimum wages, with women, young, realized and part-time workers much more likely to be paid the minimum wages. Fair wages are minimum wages rates for specific occupation. They must be paid by contractors doing work for governments with fair wage policies. These policies generally apply to construction, trades, and sometimes cleaning and security workers, and are often tied to union wage rates. They are intended to ensure contractors pay decent wage on government contracts instead of slashing wage and benefits. The city of Toronto introduced the first fair wage policy in 1893. Before minimum wage existed, since then the federal government, British Columbia, Manitoba, Ontario, New Brunswick, the Yukon, and a number of municipalities have adopted fair wage policies. A living wage is the wage which need to provide the minimum income necessary to pay for basic needs based on the cost of living in a specific community. Calculation of living wages varies significantly from about $14 an hour in some communities to just over $20 in Metro Vancouver and Yellowknife. Living wage really on public and private employees voluntarily agreeing to pay them. Thank you so much.